Hello boys and girls, look what we have today. We have another smart helmet unboxing for you guys here on the channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Forcite helmet. From what I understand, it's a smart helmet that actually has a camera in the chin. I'm stoked. This is like the most motovlog and motorcycle helmet I've ever seen, so make sure to hit that like button if you guys want to see more unboxing videos of helmets. So, there's nothing to it, but to do it, let's get our manly knives, boys and girls, and let's see what a Forcite helmet unboxing looks like. Oh, also, hi, I'm Chase. This is Chaseontwowheels YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, you should if you like motorcycle content. Alright, that was customs information. This thing does come from Australia, so our good old boys across the pond. Whoa! There's so many things! Earplugs or things. I don't know. That's some camera shield. Oh my gosh. This looks like a charging cable. Bar mount. Bluetooth controller. Surface mount. Oh my gosh, so many mounts. It's like a GoPro mounting up in here. Alright, now for the real stuff. Alright guys, so that's all the stuff that comes in the top. Oh, now the box. Now the fun part. Alright, ladies and gents, let's check out the box. How satisfying was that? Okay, we have a Forcite MK1 large gloss carbon. Yes, we got Forcite up on the top lid. Got the MK1. All right. Shield for days. Shield seems big. Oh wait, and we got an insert. Okay. We actually need the instructions for this. We are going to put this aside. Boys and girls, here. Ooh, I wonder what the helmet is. Oh, interesting. How do you, oh, it's at the top. Wait, how do you, I'm not this dumb. There it is. Okay, found it. There's an opening in the back. Oh, little, that ain't bad. Ain't bad with a little logo in the back, making sure you open it. That is smart to put the logo where the bag is gonna open. Props to you, Forcite. Good job, guys. All right, let's see what this thing's all about. Gloss carbon. You guys know what time it is. Let's cut to some B-roll.
This looks like a real helmet. Bruh,
I know.
Everything about this is legit.
This may be it! You know how excited I am right now?
Guys, we might actually, we might have the first actual legitimate smart helmet right here. So,
What?
For one, this is not any shade on any other smart helmets. It is. But just from feeling this helmet, this is sad to say, but this helmet actually feels like a helmet.
Premium.
How do we say this? There have been other smart helmets that we may or may not have tested that did not feel like a helmet. It was a helmet, didn't feel like a helmet. This thing actually feels like a helmet that Smart Stuff was put onto. So from what I understand, the main feature of this guy, right up here, we've got the blue tape on it right now, that is the camera unit. We've got closable vent here. We've got closable vents up top. Bo can't even not. We have a rear spoiler that goes up and down. It's like a Porsche. It is literally the Porsche of motorcycle helmets. Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got the side vents. Let's get her opened up. Ah!
Drop down.
Drop down visor that I assume. Boop. So from what I understand, probably asking yourself, Chase, what makes this a smart helmet? The camera module, but it also has, we'll have to show you guys clips because you guys aren't going to be able to see it from here. From what I understand, you connect this to an app, and this area right here, on the inside you can see it has like LEDs. That's all that you see as a rider. From what I understand, they were trying to make it so where there's not a ton of stuff in front of you. It's just like little indicators, so if you were going to have like a right turn coming up, you would get a little indication that your turn was coming up type thing. And also it has speakers inside of it and stuff like that. I'm going to get this thing put on and we'll see what it feels like. But I mean, this thing has, I mean, this is like a leather feel down here on the bottom of the helmet. So I'm going to get this stuff taken out and let's try this thing on and see how it fits. Oh, and there's buttons here? Is that buttons or is that, that's where all the information is. Oh, okay. So if you need to bro, come check this out. SD card and charging right here at the bottom, and it just plug, boop. GG. Okay, let's get it on. Let's get it on. I gotta get this thing cut off. This is exciting. This is legitimate. This is a very exciting time. We at the shop here at Chaseontwowheels HQ, we have wanted a smart helmet to really get behind, and we've been sad because we don't know how long that's gonna take to get here, but that might all change today. Ear cups seem to be adjustable with a little Velcro piece. I have a large in this. I think I typically wear larges. That's pretty universal for helmets. Sometimes I'm in a medium depending. All right, big test. We have a fitting helmet. Let's get the D-ring on and all.
That thing looks good.
You like it? Oh, hold on. Fighter jet mode. I will say I'm not a huge fan of the middle visor thing. I typically don't like that. I just like it here on my left side. But I do know a lot of helmets are doing this right now. But will you open me up one of those and we'll get that put on.
Want to go smoke on it?
I think we should go smoke on it. And then we go down a little bit. Gets in, then boom. So that's the helmet. That's let's take a T. Go for a little, or we gotta charge it up. We got a little is this micro USB? USB-C. Huh. So we got a USB-C slot and we got a micro SD card slot. So we'll get a micro SD card. Wait, can we? Nice. Let's see if it'll turn on. I don't think it will, but okay, so it's totally dead, so we got to get this thing charged up. Here's the cool thing about this Forcite helmet, guys. One of the things we always say in the smart helmet boxes is what happens if anything happens to the electronics in the helmet. All of the electronics on the helmet are right in the front, so they can actually replace those relatively easily.
I just want to see if what I see is what I feel. We've had a lot of helmets come through. I have a little bit of a hot spot, but
Is this mirrored?
mm-hmm.
Oh, we gotta put the mirrored visor on there, dude. What are we doing with the smoke?
Man, smoke is where it's at. Yeah, this is smoke, man.
I'll keep it smoked for now. All right, let's
I mean,
go. Let's go check it out. Let's go. Let's charge this thing up. Come on, come on. This might be the heaviest duty charger. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So we've got the helmet charged up, guys, and I tried to show you guys a clip of all the LED array. Do you have to come check this out? Okay, so we had this thing charging for a minute, and I got the app installed, and you guys can see the app install stuff. The demo of what the app does and how the helmet responds is so cool. Put the helmet on. Being dead ass serious, when I heard that it was a smart helmet and all it had was an LED array up top or in the front, I was like, man, that doesn't sound real smart. Put the helmet on.
Hold on, man.
Oh my god, it's so exciting. The demo is so legit.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna start the demo now. I want your authentic reaction to this. You can just leave that in there, man.
Oh.
I appreciate it.
That's...
Oh, just wait. Just wait.
Okay.
Oh, you can even see the LED array here. Party mode, baby! Woo! Or no, happy hour.
Turning oh, that is...
Simple. So we still have to pair the controller. We'll do that in a minute. So it's a smart helmet that is cognizant of not giving the rider too much stuff to deal with.
That is very subtle.
Super subtle, and it's like down here. You don't even notice it. I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit, and then I will test out a quick little ride. We'll save any ride footage and stuff like that for a review, but I do want to just get it on the bike. Yeah. I just want to take a quick ride in it so I can give you guys a quick, like, here's how I'm feeling. But, like, so far... Oh, do you know what the price is?
What?
$1,200 bucks. $1,200 bucks, baby. Let's go for a ride.
Half the cost.
Yep.
You know how they did it? The way they did this, they could have an actual helmet because they removed the unnecessary shit. Like, nobody needs a display right here. You do it better.
Yeah.
Smaller.
Also, they've already sold 2,000 of them. I think it's 2,000. I know 1,000 for sure. 1,000 customers have gotten this helmet who have paid for it already. So, pretty cool. Let's go for a ride. I've done it. I have done the ride. That glove is on the... Alright.
What's the verdict?
The verdict is very carbon fibery helmet, a little loud. Not incredibly loud, like not like, oh my god, I can't ride in this. It's a little loud, and I'm gonna have to play with the GPS some because it won't bring up US locations. So here's the thing. If, since we're we're gonna do a review on this thing, so we will talk to you guys about how we feel the video is, how the video is, the audio. We'll go through everything in the review video. Alright guys, so that's our super fast unboxing video of the Forcite MK1. Potentially the most sustainable looking smart helmet we've ever seen. Pretty shockingly. Typically, we use these unboxing videos for you guys, for us to judge if you guys even care about these products. We're gonna go ahead and move forward with this review because this thing feels super solid. We'll let you guys know all the ins and outs of this thing. If you guys want to see anything specific on the review, put that in the comments of this video. We will use those to find out what we need to be looking into for this helmet. Forcite, thank you for sending us the helmet. Oh, all right, guys, make sure to like this video if you like smart helmets. And I haven't seen Bo excited about a smart helmet yet. This is a first. So let's get to the review. Outro crew, thanks for getting into the video. Make sure to put OC in your comment to confuse everybody and let us know, have we found the Porsche of smart helmets? We'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Outro crew, we love you longer because you make good in the video. Bye.